Today we are going to learn about sets. So the beauty of set is that, let's take some real examples of how do uh, talk about set. Let's say uh, a set of items of cricket. So you have cricket set wherein you have the stumps, uh, right? And then ball, bat. So this is eBay, right? Then you have pads. These are the pads, and these are the gloves. So you have two type of gloves. One is a batsman gloves, which the batsman would wear when he's hitting, and then you have a cork ball. Then you have a helmet, and then you have your bag. Then you have the pouch, which they call, right, which you wear the pouch. So all this is a set of cricket, right? Now, in a set, you store unique items. So that means that you would not store duplicates, right? Now, so let's take an example where I'm going to say uh, set my set equals new hash set. Very simple example where you're going to store certain items, right? Why do I take hash set on the right hand side? Simple, because the left side set is an interface and the right side is an implemented class. So that's the reason you have to have a concrete class, not just interface. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say my set dot, let's assume we are playing cricket, right? Add, uh, let's say a bat, and then we're adding my set dot add. You need stumps, right, when you play cricket. Stumps. Then you will add the wickets, right? Then you also need gloves, right? So I'm going to say wicket keeper's gloves. Gloves. Then I'm going to add also batsman gloves. Batsman gloves. Batsman gloves. Then what else? You guessed it right. Yes, the helmet, right? What else? Guards. Yes. So uh, you have to see that everything is unique here, right? They are not repeated. So you generally use sets when you are not repeating. Everything is unique. Uh, Now I'm storing all this maybe, in a bag. So I'm going to say my set dot add bag. It's a cricket bag. Cricket bag. And also you would need the stumps are both, the stumps at the batsman side and stumps near the batsman and stumps near the bowler. Near the bowler. Okay. Now let's see if I'm able to compile this. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to iterate inside this set and see if I can, print this. So generally when you use a set, let's see if I can get an iterator. My set dot iterator. So iterate is also a class. Iterator. My iterator is equal to so this is the iterator and I got an iterator and then while my iterator dot as next, that means there is an element. Let me print what is there inside this. System dot out dot println and what I am to print here? My iterator dot next object, right? Would this work? Let's see. Wow, this worked, right? So that means that, you know, when you store something in the a set of cricket items, um, you try to print that, it's going to print this. But observe that, it is first printed the bat and the cricket bag, then stump near the bowler, then stump near the board. Batsman guards, helmets, wickets, wicketkeeper gloves, batsman gloves. How many items we had? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But the order is not maintained here. That's very important. You have to know that. So this is a very simple example of, how do you store items in a set. And if you try to you know, do the same. Like, suppose I do this, would it work? Right? Let's see this. Uh, would you expect helmets to be printed again? No, it's printed only once. That means it will not store duplicates. But whenever this operation happens, my set dot add, what, let's see the Java APIs now. Java API set, Java API set. So set is, what is set? Set is an interface. Okay. And which all classes implement set? So what we saw is hash set here. And what methods it has? It has add all, clear, contains all, equals, hash code, is empty, iterator, right, which we used. Now, when you say add, it returns a boolean, right? And that is telling if it is successful, it returns a true. If it's not successful, it returns false, right? And then what methods we have here? Uh, we can also check is empty. So we checked as next, and we can also check is empty. We can use this one also. But this is a very simple introduction of how to use sets. If you like this video, do subscribe to my video. In the next class, so until this class, we saw the Java collections. In my previous episodes, if somebody has followed my video, uh, I would have discussed about uh, the previous classes where we came into, we on my previous episodes I explained what's a list, array list, vector, linked list, array, dequeue. Now I come to about the queue. Now we come to set. So the next we worked on set and hashes. So the remaining next is sorted set and navigate set. You would see in my next episodes. If you like my video, do subscribe my video. If you have any questions, I would be happy to answer those questions. That's it from now. Happy learning, happy Java learning. Thank you all.